All right, let's check your work from part 2. All right, no sculptures by Rodin are boring creations, therefore all sculptures by Rodin are boring creations. Premise is an E statement, conclusion is an A statement. The relationship between them is logically determined. That tells me this argument is invalid. Number 2, it's false that some lunar craters are volcanic formations. That's an I statement I'm being told is false. And the conclusion is an E corresponding E statement. No lunar craters are volcanic formations, and I'm being told that's true. And that E statement would have to be true if the premise statement is false. And that tells me this argument is valid. Number 3, my premise statement is an A statement that's being offered as true, and the conclusion is a corresponding I statement that's also being offered as true, and the relationship between corresponding A and I statements is logically undetermined, and that tells me this is an invalid argument. Number 5, the premise statement is an A statement that is being offered as true, and the conclusion is the corresponding O statement that's being offered as false. And these statements have to have opposite truth values. So if the A statement premise is true, the O statement conclusion would have to be false. That's exactly what this argument claims, so this argument is valid. Then finally, we have a false E statement as our premise, and a true, what's being offered is true, a true O statement as the conclusion, but of course the relationship between corresponding E and O statements is logically undetermined, and that tells me that this argument is invalid, like bad salad.